Hey guys, welcome back. Dan the RC man, the RC Workshop Repair and Service channel. So we're back here again today. We come here yesterday, it didn't end very well. But loads of you watched the video, the WR8 is alive again. So that'll be out again at some point. But just before I show you what nitro we've got today, massive shout out to Crazy Dad Nitro, just for letting me know you know what upgrades to get for the nitro rustler, because I will be getting one, and if I'm going to bring it here I need to know you know what parts I need to upgrade, just so we don't go home early, because the last thing we want to do is come here with the nitro rustler and break it straight away. So massive shout out to Crazy Dad Nitro for helping me out on what to get for upgrades. Okay, so what have we brought to the nitro cross track, hashtag motocross track today? Let's find out. What's that? Here it is, guys. This is what we've got today. We have sorted out the HPI Savage. Let's see if it's Savage today. Custom paint job. Didn't want to use the original Savage body shell, just because I didn't want to ruin it. What I've done is I've actually put a foam bracket onto the back of the Savage, which should be sturdy enough. It should be okay. I'm just hoping if it doesn't flip over, then it will be okay, hopefully, but we'll see. So let's go and get some action. Okay guys, let's go. Oh no! There we go. Oh! Oh god! Oh. There we go. Oh. To speed. Sickening. Oh. Oh, puddle. To speed. Sickening. Two-speed action. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, who put that there? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Yes. Oh, that was a bit of a dip there. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh, it landed it. Oh. God. Come on, land. Ah, the launch is awesome, guys. Launch is absolutely awesome. Yes, land. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. Sickening. RC versus train. Yes. Oh, what a jump. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay guys, that is the end. We've snapped the exhaust spring, so that's just go come off, so that is the end. But you know, I feel like we've got some decent footage. I hope you guys enjoy the footage that I've got, and you know, there'll be another rip of this Beast of a Savage another time. Just got to sort the steering system out and the servo, because that is absolutely rubbish. So if you do get one of these, just make sure, I mean, look, just make sure you upgrade the steering system. I will show you. So turn it on. Look how slow that is, guys. So yeah, if you do get a Savage, just make sure you upgrade the steering system and the servo, and make sure you have a socket wrench for your wheel nuts. Don't use a cross wrench, because you'll just end up rounding off your cross wrench, and you won't get them off at all. You know, just a couple of things just to let you know. But apart from them two things, the Savage is an absolute savage. It's a beast. It's a tank. It's, you know, the king of nitros, which is the Savage. 2 speeds as well. If you guys want to see a video on me racing this against the Revo, because this is a 1/8 scale. The Revo, they say it's 110, but it's a 1/8. So you know, Crazy Dad Nitro, I promise you, you're going to enjoy the Revo. I promise you that. So you know, massive shout out to Crazy Dad Nitro, absolute legend. Thank you so much for letting me know about the Rustler. That'll be definitely coming on to the channel. Not sure when, but it will be. So go visit Crazy Dad Nitro's channel. Go and give him some support. He produces some awesome content, and you know, and I enjoy watching his videos, and I hope he enjoys watching my videos as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So stay tuned for another rip of this Savage, and till next time, goodbye for now.